Hello everyone. Today we'll show how you can install fastqc in your Mac computer. First, for installing fastqc, we need to install brew, which is brew. By typing that in your terminal and hitting enter, you will be able to see if you already installed brew in your terminal or if you need to install that. As you can see in here, my terminal doesn't recognize the brew command, so it's not already installed, and I need to install brew in my terminal before I install fastqc. So for doing that, you need to go to brew.sh, and there's a code that you could copy and paste it in your terminal and hit enter. You need to also type your password if your system has a password, and hit enter. This will take less than a minute to install brew on your system, but the next step, when we're installing fastqc, it takes more than 5 minutes. So I needed to, after running fastqc installation command, I need to stop the recording for the sake of time, and then I will replay it. So for doing that, we use brew and install fastqc and hit enter. Okay, after running brew install fastqc command, it took about 5 minutes. Now that fastqc is installed, let's give it a test. So you can type fastqc --help